Falcon is over at Daddy's mom's house because we need this van for the chopper show. Now we gotta see if it'll start. This has been hooked up on the battery forever. Let's turn you guys around. I'm guessing the battery's toast. I'll take the one car with the battery problem, drop the Volvo over battery from your daily driver into it, hook that up to the one that you forgot to disconnect before winter and then got buried in snow. This seems logical. Why not fry one battery when I can try and fry all of them? Oh well. Got power. Did not bring starter fluid, nor do I want to pull the doghouse off, so this is going to take a minute. Mechanical fuel pump problems. Oh, there we go. All right, we're running. Sweet. Now I can pull this out, move the Falcon into this spot, get set up for the bike show. This is my life. Now, I got the Falcon parked, van started, everything's running good. Truck just fired up. But we got a flat to deal with. So all I have here at this house is a cigarette lighter air pump. My cigarette lighter fuse has been popped forever on the truck, and I don't have a spare 30 amp fuse. So now I got the van. Got the van parked over here to run the air pump to the cigarette lighter in the van to fire this up and then use the truck to jump this panel shot. How's that for fun? Sunday fun day. Okay, sorry about the wind, but we got the Falcon parked over here. That is good to go. Still got to pull the Volvo battery out of this guy. This made it here just fine. Only issue I had was the momentary switch was sticking when I first fired this up, so the starter was grinding a little bit, but we got that corrected real quick. Now it's good to go, but this is the battery from my daily driver Volvo wagon. So while that's going, come over here. Sorry, I don't have any mics, so it's going to get really hard to hear. Got the truck running. It's fired up in 2 cranks. First crank it started and died. Second crank, perfectly fine. Electric fuel pump, a little bit easier. Cycled that one, but we got a flat on the back tire. So we come around to the other side of this beautiful beat up old truck. Air compressor from the cigarette lighter hooked up to the van, which we just got fired up. Pulled it pretty much all the way up to the end of this tree. Run up and over because I don't have one stupid 30 amp plate fuse. So we pull this up and go for a ride in the truck. Looks like the ground is a little soft, so I gotta pull it out of this rut. We'll check all the tires real quick, and then we'll take this for a quick little springtime shakedown, rip around the neighborhood, and then repark it. Also, end of the season last year, I got the seat reupholstered. I have not driven this with the new seat. My neighbor up at the shop, Barb, did this one for me and kept the factory embossed logo here. So I know we're kind of in the echo chamber, but got the Ford logo here. And everything is running. She's up to town. I don't know how much gas we have, but everything seems to be working. We're charging, we're jamming. This one I did disconnect the battery on, so I don't neglect all of them. And we'll see about the panel track. I don't know if I really feel like messing this one yet. So we'll be back when this tire's filled up. All right, the rumble of dueling Fords. We got the van running, truck running. It took air. I'm amazed that little cigarette lighter pump actually put enough in because that was pretty flat. Now we're gonna jump into this brand new seat. Put this thing out of the rough that it sank into. Any of the purists that store their cars over the years are probably rolling over right now, hating me, but this is what I got. Nice little parking lot. Oh, we were gonna take the truck for a ride, but we are stuck in a rut. It is too big, and the ground's way too wet on the back to get any sort of traction. So I got you on the dash right now. You're probably gonna fall over. The ground's still frozen too, so. truck's staying. Well, that's super unfortunate. Really wanted to rip the truck around, but oh well. Main goal today was getting the van done, and we did that. Van's working. So let me back this back over in another spot in the driveway. Having dinner with both sets of parents today, or a lunch, if you will. Park this one. This is coming home with us tonight. Falcon's staying here. I gotta grab the battery for the Volvo, so I got a car to drive to work tomorrow. For the first day of spring, that was a pretty good adventure. Got all the cars back home, so the van's here, Volvo's SUV's here, Volvo wagon's here. Other ones are all running, and that's about it. So, did not get as much done on the chopper as I wanted to. Played some vehicle flip-flop. I'm also waiting on one box of parts. That should be here tomorrow. And then we gotta finish jamming away on this stupid iron head. Catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all those fun things. Help me hit that 800 mark. Catch you later.